Hi, so in today's video, I'll be doing a Nasty Gal haul slash unboxing type thing. I've actually been too ill to try any of these on, except for like one thing. So yeah, you'll be seeing what they look like along with me for the first time. They're kind of like springy pieces. So I guess it's like a spring haul, unintentionally. Whenever I see spring hauls and people are wearing like strappy dresses and thin tops, and I'm just like, do you know what spring is like in England? Like, it's cold, and I live in southern England, like I live in London, and that's like the warmest part of England, and yeah, it is actually still cold. It was snowing like a few days ago, so yeah, this is like a properly spring haul. Yeah, if you want to see what I got, then just keep watching. Right, so here is my big bag. All in all, I think I spent about £80, which is actually quite good for the things I've got. I have high hopes for them, so fingers crossed they will be good. The first thing I got is these check trousers. I'm really liking trousers at the moment. I'm not a trousers person at all, but I'm really liking trousers with just a plain casual t-shirt that you can switch up every day. And I saw this check one. It reminded me of the Zara one. I don't know if I'll be able to insert a picture, but it reminded me of the Zara one, which I was putting off for ages. Then I saw it in store and it just didn't look right. I wanted it to be quite high-waisted and it wasn't. Anyways, I saw these check trousers from Nasty Gal, obviously. Yeah, I've never actually ordered from Nasty Gal before. I should probably put that out. I remember when they first came out and their clothes seemed quite expensive because I'm guessing they were sort of like more of a cult brand, and now their prices seem like really decent, even like the full price items, because I have got a few things from sale. Their full price items seem like really like decent price. So yeah, anyways, this was, I can't remember the prices of each item, but this was £25. And just these like check trousers that sort of, they don't taper in, but they're sort of like a cigarette hem at the bottom. But yeah, they're really nice. Brown check, and I'm like obsessed with this. I'm really on the hunt for brown check trousers, but unfortunately it's literally massive. Like, I don't mind things oversized, but I can't actually like wear it because even if I wore a belt with it, it would just look really bunched together at the waist. And I don't know if they do like smaller than a small, but I didn't see anything other than a small, medium or large, so that was quite sad. If they have this in like an extra small, then I'd be happy to get it, but even then I still think it'd be a bit big. But yeah, they're really nice. They have these darts in it at the front, loops or holes, couple pockets either side, and then some like sort of fake pockets that you might be able to turn into, oh actually no, I was gonna say that you might be setting them into pockets, but they've got some fake pockets at the back. But yeah, it's really nice, and I'm like tempted to keep it and try and alter it myself, even though I can't. But I really like it. But oh well, next time. Right, so the next thing I bought was this top. It's just this lovely, it's actually a shirt actually, I don't know what's the top. It's this lovely shirt, and it's kind of like silky-esque material, but I don't think it's actually silk. Yeah, it's black with these floral print detailing on them. I mean, florals for spring, groundbreaking. And yeah, this is lovely. I love it. It's got like a really small collar, so it's really nice and relaxed. It's got short sleeves, and yeah, I just love it. I'm just in love with it, and I don't even think it was that expensive either. I will leave like all the prices like on the screen somewhere, but yeah, I'm really in love with it, and I got that in at 8, and I'm guessing it's meant to be oversized because it is quite oversized anyway. But yeah, it's really lovely, and it reminds me quite of like an oriental style design, I guess. But yeah, it's really nice, and I can't wait to wear it when it gets like a little bit warmer as well. This probably isn't like, not necessarily it's not spring appropriate, but I guess if you're wearing this on a night out in spring, it would be appropriate, even though it's a crop top. It's got long sleeve, you'll see. Right, so it's this like chain detailing. It's a wrap over crop top. Does that make sense? Yeah. And it's got like this slinky material. Oh, it feels really nice and soft. But yeah, it's got this chain detailing on, and yeah, I'll probably see it in the cutaways better. But yeah, it's just, it is what it is. I'm not really good at explaining clothes. You can kind of see what it is, evidently. But yeah, I think that'd be really nice with like some high-waisted jeans or trousers, or maybe like a cute high-waisted skirt as well. Yeah, I got that in an 8 as well. And did I? I swear I got this in a different size. I'm literally sure I bought this in a 6 or a 4 and they're giving me an 8. So yeah, I don't know how that's gonna work out, but it's got these like bell bottom sleeves as well. But yeah, I don't know how it's gonna fit, like if it'll be okay, but fingers crossed, because I'm actually certain I always order the top smaller because I'm just like, I've got nothing up here, but we'll see. I got this beautiful shirt. Oh, I really hope it looks good. Let's have a look. I got this beautiful, it looked more like blush pink on the website, so, but it's kind of like a light lilac-y mauve type colour. But it's just this lovely, it's meant to be like really oversized shirt, so I probably should have sized down, but I didn't. But yeah, it's just this lovely shirt. It's not like full length, but it's not cropped either. It's kind of one of those things that will like stop at your hips and that is it. But yeah, it's this lovely shirt. It's got 2 pockets either side. Yeah, again, it's short sleeved as well. The colour is like so spring appropriate, don't you think? And yeah, it's really nice, and hopefully it fits and it's not like too big, but yeah, really happy. Beautiful colour, and it looks like vintagey as well, I guess. Like it doesn't look like it's shop bought, so that's really nice as well. And I also got this, I think I got it like 30% off. There was some discount code flying around. If there's any discounts, I will leave it below in the description box below if I can find any discounts. Caught my eye in the sale. I think it went down from something like £60 down to £25 or something like ridiculous. It was like more than half price. Oh, I have high hopes. Oh, it's this, oh my gosh, that is like so weighty. Like it's genuine, it feels so, I can't, I'm gonna wear this. I don't even care if it's too big or too small, I'm gonna wear it. Basically, it's this like duster, what do they call it? Overcoat, basic grey wool overcoat. It's not actually wool because, you know, vegan and all. I don't do animals and stuff. But yeah, it's this like long duster. I wouldn't say it's duster jacket. I say it's an actual coat because it looks really, it feels heavy, it looks warm. I'm so pleased with this. The lining, the detail in it. Oh my gosh, I'm really ecstatic about this. But yeah, this is such a bargain. And I think grey, I've got like one in beige, I've got black coats, I haven't got anything grey, so I feel like it will just mix it up a little bit. But yeah, I'm really happy about that. It's got one button there. It's got the fake pockets, which anger me so much, but I think I'll be able to turn them into real pockets because it's lined underneath. And yeah, it looks mid-length as well. It's got a button on the sleeves here. But yeah, I'm really happy about that. It looks really like chic. Oh, and I've got that jacket in a 12. I don't know if it's going to fit. We'll see, we'll see. Last but not least is, it's so funny because like I was like on the hunt for a grey trench coat, and then suddenly like I was on Instagram and a fashion blogger like posted her pics of the week on Nasty Gal and a discount code, and I was like, oh cool. And I was looking around and suddenly I found a trench coat, which I was just like, I was looking for a trench coat and I found one. I don't own one, and now I do, and hopefully it will fit nicely. But it's this, oh, that is long. Yes, that is long. That looks lush. What was really weird though is that it came in one size, which I'm just like, no one is one size, like, come on. So I don't know if it will fit or what it will look like, but it's just your average trench coat, but it doesn't look very basic. Do you know what I mean? But yeah, it's got this lovely like texture to it, like brush material. And again, it's in a grey, but more of a dark slate grey. It's got pockets, deep pockets here. It's got this detailing on the sleeve as well, which I think is quite cool. That's what the back of the jacket is like. It's really, really long. I can't actually show it to you. But yeah, I'm really happy about this. It feels really like decent as well, material and weight. And it also comes with a belt that's, you'll attach later on as well. And yeah, I'm really happy about that, and I don't think that was too expensive either. Right, so that is it for my Nasty Gal haul. I know I've always keep saying in every haul that I'm not going to do another haul because I'm not trying to start spending money, but obviously it's not working, so I'm just going to leave it at that, and I will see you in my next video. I am now uploading 3 times a week, so I'm really consistent with my uploads, and I probably will be doing a haul sometime soon. But yeah, if you got this far to the end of the video, thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.